Hey, Tech Talk TV fam. Ever wondered what's actually happening when you're scrolling, clicking, or typing online? You hear cybersecurity everywhere, but let's break it down in plain English, and I'll give you 5 quick tips to keep you safe. Ready? Let's go. So what is cybersecurity? Think of it as the digital lock on your online life. Just like you lock your front door, cybersecurity is about protecting your devices, your data, and your identity from people who want to sneak in, cybercriminals. Why does it matter? Because most of our lives are online now. Your bank, your shopping, your chats, even your smart fridge. And yes, there are folks out there trying to snatch your info, your cash, or just mess with you. Here's the basics. Pros call it the CIA Triad. No, not the spies. C stands for confidentiality. Your private stuff stays private, like messages, bank details, photos. I is integrity, making sure your data isn't secretly changed. You want your bank balance to be right, and your emails unedited. And A is availability. You need your info and systems when you want them, not locked away by a hacker. Now, how do these cyber baddies try to break in? Let's run through the big ones fast. First up, phishing. That's dodgy emails or text pretending to be legit. Banks, friends, delivery companies, tricking you into clicking a bad link or handing over info. Next is malware. Think viruses, spyware, stuff that messes with your device or steals your data. Then there's ransomware, the proper nightmare. It locks your files and demands money to get them back. And finally, social engineering. Not high tech, but high trick. It's all about manipulating you into giving up secrets or doing something risky. Phishing's actually a type of this. All right, how do you become your own digital bodyguard? Here are 5 practical tips. 1. Use strong, unique passwords for every account. Seriously, password 123 isn't fooling anyone. Get a password manager to do the hard work. 2. Turn on 2-factor authentication everywhere. Even if someone gets your password, they need that second code from your phone to get in. 3. Be skeptical. If a message seems fishy or urgent, don't click. Double check with the sender. Better safe than sorry. 4. Keep your software updated. Those updates aren't just annoying. They patch security holes hackers use to break in. 5. Back up your data. If ransomware hits or your laptop dies, backups mean you don't lose everything. See, cybersecurity isn't just for techies with hoodies. It's about being alert and making smart choices. So, what's your number 1 cybersecurity tip? Drop it in the comments. If this helped you out, hit like, share it with a friend, and make sure you're subscribed to TheTechTalkTv for more tech tips that make sense. Stay safe online, and I'll catch you in the next one.